We want to know what value of F max gives an impulse of 6 Newton seconds. We're given this lovely graph over here and of force versus time. Well, from class we talked about the fact that the impulse of a collision can be found by taking the area under a curve of a force-time graph. Well, if I were to look at this particular situation, I'm looking for the area in this lovely shape here. Hopefully you recognize that this shape is a triangle. So we're looking at the area of a triangle, which is by definition 1/2 base times height. Well, our base here is going to be our time interval, and our height is going to be our F max, right? And that's going to equal our impulse. So we can see that our impulse is going to equal 1/2 times our time interval times our F max. And if we rearrange for F max, our F max is equal to 2 times our impulse divided by our time. So we are now able to plug in our information. Our impulse is given to us in the problem of 6 Newton seconds, and that's all over our time interval. Our time interval is this distance down here, which is 8 milliseconds. All right. However, we don't want milliseconds. We do need to go ahead and convert that to seconds. Milli, as you know, is times 10 to the negative 3 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that milli with times 10 to the negative 3 seconds. All right. Once I go ahead and do that, I plug it into my calculator, and I do get 1,500 newtons. And that is your answer.